Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to make a starting chain. First, hold the crochet hook in your right hand and the yarn in your left hand. If you have already made a slip knot, insert the crochet hook into the slip knot. Next, pinch the knot's end with your left thumb and middle finger. Wrap the working yarn over the hook from back to front. Slightly rotate the hook so the yarn catches on the hook, and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook to complete one chain stitch, which will form a V shape. Let us make a few more chain stitches. Pinch the chain below the hook with your left thumb and middle finger, yarn over, and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook to complete another chain stitch. Continue this process to create a chain. The front of the chain will look like a series of interconnected V shapes. If you turn the chain over, you will see a bump or back bar on each stitch, which is called the back bar. That is all for this video. Enjoy your crocheting time.